let's have a go at making some sort of simple maracas and shakers for your children to play. And I realise very much that instruments are expensive. So if you can make things at home, all the better. So sometimes what I would have in my little classes, my early childhood music classes, is I'd hand out little tins or lovely little boxes, and ask the children to take them home and then bring them back the week after with something inside them. So small containers with things like pasta or rice or little rocks or shells. This is a great activity to do at home. And in terms of music, you're listening to different tone colours or timbre of instruments, the different sounds. You could help your child, if you fancy doing this, to fill up a wee container with a variety of items, as I said already, and seal it. And then when the children take them into preschool or nursery or school, they can shake their maracas, and the other children have got to listen. They've got to turn their listening ears on and guess what's inside. The hard part for 3-year-olds, I always found, was they wanted to tell you what was inside the boxes. 4-year-olds, not so much. It's amazing that you hear the difference it makes. Another wee extension to do is to group the shakers into which are loudest to softest. Can any of the shakers or the maracas be matched with others? Do any sound the same? So these are some ideas for maracas. Let me know via my website or through social media if you've got any questions or any success stories, because it's always great to hear. All right, thank you. Till next time. Bye. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.